Are you look best shower niches? Choosing the right shower niche can transform your bathing space. It keeps toiletries organized and within reach. No more cluttered shower floors. Different designs suit different needs. Some niches are sleek and modern. Others blend seamlessly with traditional decor. Materials vary too. List 1. Sutec shower niche, 16 by 28. Single shelf niches, tile-ready niche. Transform your bathroom with the Sutec shower niche. Measuring 16 by 20 by 28, it offers ample space for essentials. Designed for easy tile installation, it fits seamlessly into any shower. One shelf provides convenient storage for soaps and shampoos. Its sleek, recessed design adds modern elegance to your bathroom. Enjoy clutter-free, organized shower spaces effortlessly. Advantages: enhance your bathroom's organization with smart storage solutions. The Sutec shower niche provides ample space for bottles and accessories. Enjoy easy installation with its tile-ready design. No need for complex tools or procedures. Boost your bathroom's aesthetic appeal. The sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor. Experience durability and longevity. Made from high-quality materials designed to withstand moisture. Maximize shower space efficiently. Keep essentials within reach and maintain a tidy area. List number: Tile Ready USA Niche Single Recessed Shower Shelf. Black. Transform your shower with the sleek Tile Ready USA Niche Single Recessed Shower Shelf. Black and stylish, it adds elegance to any bathroom. Its compact design, with a 16-inch width, maximizes your space efficiently. An inner shelf provides convenient storage for your toiletries. Durable and easy to install, it enhances both form and function. Perfect for organizing and beautifying your shower area. Advantages: enhances bathroom storage with its practical recessed design. Black finish adds a sleek, modern touch to showers. Durable material ensures long-lasting use and minimal maintenance. Easy to install, simplifying your bathroom renovation process. Save space while providing convenient storage for shower essentials. List John Shower Niche Shelf for prefabricated Curdy board SN/SNLT floral design brush 304 stainless steel. Transform your bathroom with the John Shower Niche Shelf. The floral design adds elegance and charm effortlessly. Crafted from brushed 304 stainless steel, it ensures lasting durability and a sleek finish. Designed for easy installation on prefabricated Curdy board, it saves time and hassle. Enjoy a clutter-free shower space with this stylish and functional shelf. Perfect for keeping your essentials organized and within reach. Advantages: elegant floral design enhances bathroom aesthetics effortlessly. The brushed 304 stainless steel ensures durability and rust resistance. Prefabricated Curdy board compatibility simplifies installation for users. Ample storage space neatly organizes shower essentials. Smooth surface allows easy cleaning and maintenance. List number: Sutec Shower Niche, 17-inch by 25-inch by 3.8 inches, tile-ready recessed shower shelf. Transform your bathroom with the Sutec Shower Niche. A sleek, modern solution for organizing shower essentials. Easy installation and tile-ready design make it a perfect fit for any decor. The spacious 17-inch by 25 inches size offers ample storage without sacrificing style. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use and reliability. Enhance your bathroom's functionality and aesthetic with this elegant recessed shelf. Advantages: ideal for modern bathrooms, this shower niche offers sleek storage. The recessed design saves space, enhancing bathroom organization effortlessly. Made with tile-ready materials, it blends seamlessly with existing decor. Installation is straightforward, reducing time and effort for setup. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use and reliability. List number: Vivor Shower Niche, ready for tile 16 by 24 inches double shelf organizer. Transform your bathroom space with the sleek Vivor Shower Niche. The double shelf organizer offers ample storage for essentials. Square corners provide a modern touch, enhancing your shower's aesthetic. Easy to install and ready for tiling, this niche ensures a seamless fit. Its sealed design protects your items from moisture, keeping them dry and safe. The chic black finish adds a sophisticated flair to any shower. Advantages: Maximize bathroom space with a double shelf organizer. Perfect for keeping toiletries neat and accessible. The square corners offer a sleek and modern look. Enjoy sealed protection for long-lasting durability. No worries about water damage or leaks. A black finish adds elegance to any shower design. Stylish and sophisticated, it complements various tile colors. Easy installation for a hassle-free experience. Fits seamlessly into bathroom walls, enhancing storage without clutter. Organize soaps and shampoos efficiently. Everything stays within reach, making showers more enjoyable.